Welcome back, fellows, to Heaven of Aromas. I am Vivek Arora and I represent Heaven of Aromas. So today I am going to talk about one of my favorite sleeping essential oil blend. I am going to teach you how to make this stock so that you can make it for yourself. For this we are going to need 3 essential oils. One is Mandarin essential oil. You can use any variety of Mandarin essential oil. You get orange, green. Here in my case I am using orange, but benefits are the same. We have lavender essential oil and we have bergamot essential oil, which is phototoxic in nature. We will talk about it. So starting with Mandarin essential oil, I have my cylinder here which allows me to measure the oils. I am going to take help of my dropper here and I am going to use 1 ml of Mandarin essential oil. This smells so good, I can't explain you. This is so fruity and so citrusy. And as you can see, you are not able to see the colors of your essential oils in this dark brown amber bottle. Here in this cylinder you can see the color. It's looking so beautiful. One ml. There we go. Now we will take lavender essential oil. When it comes to relaxation and sleep, we should not forget about lavender. So I am going to add 1 ml of lavender essential oil, which in my case I am using Bulgarian lavender essential oil. And we are almost there. Yes. Next, we are going to use 2 ml of bergamot oil. Remember, bergamot oil is phototoxic and it is not supposed to be applied on your skin and go out in the sun. It helps you in uplifting your mood. So if you are having a stressful day in your office, then you can uplift your mood with this bergamot essential oil and have a sound sleep. So I am going to use 2 ml of bergamot essential oil. Okay, I am going to take help of my dropper here so that I can fasten things up. This is for bergamot, and if you are using dropper for your essential oils, remember to use a separate dropper for each essential oil. Do not mix your essential oils using your droppers. This is smelling so good. And we are done. Now I am going to take my empty 10 ml bottle which has a dropper in it, and I am going to put this blend stock and save it for using over a couple of next months every night after night. This smells so good. See, if you can see, I have a dropper here and I have my diffuser. You can buy this diffuser if you want to, and you can use any diffuser. I have a separate video for this diffuser if you are interested. You just put in these drops in the diffuser, and as shown in the previous, you can use this blend and have a good night's sleep. Let us know how do you like this blend, and if you have any suggestion, comments, do post in the comment section below, and do subscribe to my channel so that I can keep myself motivated to make such videos for you.